Hello and welcome to yet another episode of What's on My Table. So today we've got this amazing memory card from Samsung which is available for a lower spec price, which means this Evo Plus 128 GB card is a 130 MB per second card with the following specifications. You can see it's a A2 with a V30 speed, and it's a class 3 card. So these cards usually are in the range of around 1250 if you purchase it from SanDisk. So Samsung is giving this on a offer for this great Indian sale on Amazon. So I think this is a great purchase if you have a mobile phone which needs an extra memory card, or even if you plan to use this in one of your digital video cameras. So I think it's a great purchase for this price, and that's the reason why I quickly picked it up at 1049, which includes the GST as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this or uncard this, like you say. So let's go ahead and uncard this because it's not really an unboxing. Let's go ahead and uncard this because it's not really an unboxing, but it's more of an uncarding process. So you got to cut along this line here and you'll be able to access the card. So I think it's a pretty straightforward thing. Once you cut this, you can access this portion of the card which comes along with that particular adapter. So let's just push this up and you'll get both of these out. So it looks really nice. I don't think you need to worry about the authenticity of this card because I'm buying it on Amazon, because Amazon can have fake cards too, but this looks quite nice for the price I got it. And I'm going to check it on my phone and I'll share a spec sheet for the speed of the card shortly. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and it's a pretty fast card and it'll work great in your camera or even in your mobile phone while you're shooting that 4K video, or without giving you uh, cut-offs in between because of the memory card not being able to write onto it. So I think we're good with this. Let's go ahead and give you the spec sheet so you have a clear understanding of what the specs on the card are like and how they compare with other SanDisk cards. Thank you guys, and you have a great day. I know I'd be spoiling this card, but yeah, it's okay. That's fine. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos and unboxing videos where I'll share specs of different products that I unbox or uncard. Thanks again. I'll see you guys soon.